Did your iPhone suddenly become super zoomed in and you cannot use it normally? Don't panic, your iPhone is probably fine. If everything on your iPhone looks huge and you cannot move around the screen normally, the zoom accessibility feature may have been turned on. Here is the quick fix. Just double tap the screen with 3 fingers. That will zoom your iPhone back out immediately. Now, to make sure this doesn't happen again, open Settings. Then tap Accessibility, then tap Zoom, and simply turn Zoom off. This feature is designed to magnify the entire screen, and it can sometimes be turned on accidentally, especially if a child is using your iPhone. So, if your iPhone suddenly looks extremely zoomed in, don't take it to a repair shop. Just remember, double tap with 3 fingers. And that's it. If this tip helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Tech Tip Taps for more quick iPhone tips.